Hi guys, welcome to the course. In this part of the course, I will show you Unreal Engine and Unity Engine, their websites, and how you can install them into your computer, okay? So this is the Unreal Engine website. In order to install Unreal Engine, first you will need to click this button, this download button, all right? So it will take you to here, and basically even you have this web page open here, it will be downloading this Epic installer, okay? This is actually a launcher, which I will stop right now. So because you're gonna double click that, and once you have that, actually it's telling you here what to do. Open the launcher, create login. You need to have an account, which you can create on this website. And so you will have, let me show you what you will have. You will have this kind of launcher. Okay, this is the Epic Games launcher. So here you have access to the fab, which you will upload your content here. And in this library, you have the Unreal Engine. And so I have like two engines installed here. As you can see, I have 544 and 550. Okay. And if you go to the store, actually this part right now doesn't concern us. This is where you can download and play the games. Anyway, we are in Unreal Engine now. So if you want to install a different version engine, it says update available for me. I will click this one, and actually it's telling me I can only install 5.3.2 because I already have the latest one installed. So once you are here, you're going to click install, and you're going to set your path, and when you click install, it will install everything. Okay, so this is the way you will install. These are my Unreal projects, okay, which I'm working right now. And so let me close this down. Okay, this is how this goes for Unreal Engine, and I will show the rest of it later on to you. And when it comes to Unity, you have this web page, and here you need to click, don't just scroll down, you need to just click. Of course, you will need to have an account like me, create a Unity account, and you're going to click plans and pricing. And all you need is personal edition, okay, which is free. If you're not a student, you don't need this. If you are, feel free to download this one. Don't go into this right now. This pro version, free will do. So when you how can I say, download now, it will take you, when you click download, it will take you to the Unity Hub. This is the same as Epic Launcher, which I'm going to close right now, and I'm going to show you what's this about. So this is the Unity Hub. Let me turn this off. So this is the Unity Hub, and this is the same as you have your projects here, and as well as you have your install. So if you want to install an editor, here we go. So you need to install the LTS version, which means long-term support. So we have Unity 6, and actually I have Unity 2020, which I prefer right now for you to use. Even 6 is out, I still go with the oldest one, older one, sorry. So, this is how you will install. So that's it about this, guys. This is how you install both engines to your computer, so you can start uploading your projects from there. Okay, you will create your project inside the engines, then upload them. Both of them have different how can I say, different ways of uploading. Okay, so this is the old Unreal Engine marketplace. Right now you can't submit anything from here. Okay, so these are my products here. All right, and so actually right now they are on the fab listing. You see fab.com. Now they are here. And so these are my listings. As you can see, I have lots of products here which I'm selling right now. And you have your things under publish. Okay, you can have your sales report, publisher settings. And in terms of payment, which is weird because if you go to the Unreal Engine marketplace, where is that? Just a second. Here we go. If you go here, and if you go to settings, and I have my payment set to a bank account, okay, which I think you can still do here. The reason for that is if you go to your account and if you say your seller account, it still takes you to the old dashboard, okay? But in the fab, if you go to the fab and if you go your publisher settings, you have a different thing which is called update your hyperwallet account. So I'm not sure about this. I wouldn't do this right now. I would still go from the old dashboard for Unreal Engine, and if it is needed, we just contact with them through email and ask them, if you don't have a hyperwallet, which is actually a part of PayPal, as you know. So if you have a problem with that, like if you don't have hyperwallet in your country, definitely contact with the FAB, okay? And so as you can see, this is my listing. Here we go. This is your listings. And if you want to create a new listing, you just click here and you start uploading the files you already created, which we will do in the further lessons. All right. And what else? So this is my Unity publishing portal. All right. And the way you go here is you have the Unity asset store, like the Fab now. Unity asset store here, and this is the Cyber Week. You see, only 2 hours left. Great. So this is the Unity asset store, and once you have logged in here, you go to sell assets and click publish your portal here. And these are my all packages. They are basically the same what I have in the Fab right now, the same amount of items. Maybe some are different because Unity is a little bit weird. Like, let me tell you, Unity is more picky than Unreal Engine. I guess that's because they are like, maybe the Unreal Engine is trying to expand its inventory of asset sales. So maybe that's why maybe in the future they won't accept like Unity. But Unity sometimes say, I'm sorry, but your item is not right fit for our store. So they might reject you, but don't get discouraged about it. Please continue. Like you see, I have my 11 rejected items. You see, and I only had maybe one in Unreal Engine Marketplace. So don't let this kind of thing discourage you. Just go on your way. And here, if you go to your profile, here you can set the payout preferences and everything. Okay, you click here and it takes out your payment and things and like that. So this is the way you set your dashboard, and this is the way you installed Unreal Engine and Unity Marketplace. So I really hope you like this part of the course. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.